for the firefighters. This one's for the firefighters. Firefighters.
So I've been asked recently what kind of video editing software I do. I use Wondershare Filmora 12. Now, I used the 9, 10, 11, and now this is the 12. Originally, I bought I think it was like $70 or so for the lifetime subscription now, or the lifetime license, which was great until Filmora 12 came out, and then I actually had to rebuy it. So what it was originally was just free upgrades and updates, but they didn't let us upgrade past 12. I got a discount on this one, but it is what it is, right? Anyways, so I'll show you how I do a quick video on here. I'm going to go to import. Here's the video I'm going to use. Now, if you notice, it populates up here. I'll drag it down below. Now, we will keep it to the media. And here is my little video. I'm doing just a quick one. I'm actually going to do it twice. I'll make it this way, and then I'll make it into a short. So first thing I'm going to do is start cutting the video down. So let's take a look at that. Play it. See about Dragonflight, you're starting to level up your jewel crafter. And you get around level 30. All right, so far it's pretty good. So actually, let's add a transition in the beginning. I like to use this one here. And I'm also going to add a title. I like using this one. This is actually a pretty nice title here. Now, you got to remember, if you are doing this as layers, so your top layer will be the one that you've seen. You'll see on top of everything else. If I move this down here, you'll no longer see it. Oh, well, it's not letting me move it down there, but you can't see it then. So you got to make sure you layer it properly. This is a nice little background, but I'm going to get rid of that. And the only thing I really want here is what it says. I'll start editing things. So let's look at this. Dragonflight. Make that smaller. Let's change this one a little bit. Let's go to... let me make sure I can spell everything right. All right. Next thing I put on here is Waking Shores. I like the font. It's actually works pretty good for what I'm doing for it. Normally I'll have an intro and outro, but I'm not going to do it because this is just a quick little 1-minute video. Let's go to the jeweler's bench. It's not bad. Let's make these a little bit smaller, a little bit too much in my face right there, guys. All right. Oh, drag in. Let's try that again. Let's go to Dragon Isle, actually, guys. Hopefully I can spell everything right. Dragon Isle. There we go. That one we can make bigger. You can always change the font, stuff like that. So that's not bad looking. You can move it around, up, down. Let's make that one a little bit bigger. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's take a look at it. See about Dragonflight, you're starting to level up your jewel crafter. And you get around level 30. Always look at your video and play it first. You need a jeweler's bench. Now, where is that? Now, after you get Dragon flying, you have to get that unlocked first. You're going to come over here, Walking Shores, over. All right, that looks pretty good so far. I did actually watch this already, and it looked pretty good. I would do this here and stickers. This is where I put my like and subscribe page for YouTube. Here we go. Right. Now, it gets really big. So let's make that a lot smaller for now. Because it is going to be short as well. You're going to go over to the right of the throne, and here is your jeweler's bench. I hope it helps you. See you next time. There we go. Quick, easy. You can always add titles, add words, and stuff like that. Pretty simple. So actually, let's make it, export it real quick. Jeweler's bench. Let's export. Now, this is how you do a regular video. Now, when you do a YouTube short, it's same thing, but you got to do a different format. So let me upload this first. All right, let's open up the folder so I know where it's at. All right, got it over here now. Now, let's create a new project. Now, when you do a new project for a short, you have to go 4x5 vertical. It has to be that way. You can't do the normal portrait mode. We don't want to save it. That's okay with me. We're going to pull this back in there again. Pull it down below. Now, you got to make sure you do this correctly. I did not do what I wanted, I don't believe. Let me see. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, we're good. So here we go. Now you can see it looks more like a phone. So first thing I'm going to do, I'll do the exact same thing before. Is put my transition here. Put my transition over here. You got to double check your volume right here. I forgot to mention that. You can go up and down on that. My volume sounds pretty good to me. I'll do my like and subscribe. Let's play it real quick. Well, we're missing something, aren't we? Title. Yeah, get that in there. Now, one thing you can do is just move this around. You zoom in more. You can find it exactly what you want a lot faster, especially if you have a shorter video. A lot easier. All right. So let's get rid of this box here. This one was Dragon Isle. This one was Waking Shores, I believe. And the other one was Jeweler's Bench. All right, looks pretty good, but let's capitalize the J and the B. I know it's not exactly the way it's supposed to be, but to me it's a little more catchy that way. Make it a little bit bigger, make these smaller. You're going to have to drag and drop as well. There we go. Let's start it again and take a look. See about Dragonflight, you're starting to level up your Jewel Crafter. And you get around level 30 or so. All right, we know that audio is good. We already checked it. We'll go back down here. Change our subscribe. This one's going to be a little bit smaller. Right around there at this time. Right of the throne, and here is your Jeweler's Bench. Done. I hope it helps you. See you next time. Good, done. So once again, guys, this is just a really quick video showing you how I do a few video edits. Now this is very minor. Excuse me. When I do a longer video, like the 15, 20-minute videos, it'll take me an hour sometimes. A lot of times I do my voiceovers at that point. So that's one reason why it takes so long. If you're interested in something like this, please let me know. I will help you out. I will show you what I do. I'll make videos on it as well. But thanks again, guys. See you later.
This one's for the firefighters. This one's for the firefighters. Firefighters.